Yeah, we got a flying helicopter. It's our flying helicopter, and it's my.
Alright, it's my turn. I'm getting the control of this.
Oh.
Hey guys!
Yeah, Argosh and Medic here. Argosh is flying helicopter.
Hey guys! Go forward! Jesus!
Argosh is a beginner. I'm a pro. Jesus is maybe intermediate.
What you say?
We have a beginner flying this plane.
I landed in my hand. No, that's gonna be good.
Mayday! Yeah, boy. Don't be scared. I'm not gonna fly into your face. I did that when I was a beginner.
Go back!
I didn't do it.
Go! You okay? Yeah. Just kidding. Ben, let me try.
Hey,
Still recording.
It's
Alright
not
guys,
filming.
I'm back.
It is.
No, I pressed it.
No, I pressed it again right now.
Oh, you just...
Hand it over to the pro cameraman and the pro flyer. Ooh. Okay, don't fly. Don't fly.
Oh, wow.
Kill it. Eat it. And there's its web too. Oh God, I was filming. I didn't know.
Okay.
Oh, Grudge, quit. Peace, guys. I'm going out. So, just letting you know, I'm pro flyer at this, pro recorder. God, I'm a lot of things. I'm good at recording. I always record on other people's channels, like on Joshua Falcons. I'm not Joshua, the kid vlog. Some of those vlogs. I film with this selfie stick I have right here that I'll show you right now. This one right there. It's a green one. So guys, peace.